back to another Toyscoveries video. And as I promised I would open up more blind bags, I'm back with lots more. So in this video, we have 3 girly bags and 1 boy bag. Let's open them and see what kind of figures we will find. We're gonna need our scissors. Make sure you get the help of a grown-up. Let's see. These are all the pieces it comes with. Wow, I see a cape. Ooh, look, a mermaid tail. How cute. So let's start. We're gonna put her body, this piece of her body on. And we have the tail. And then we're gonna put her arms. So we're gonna snap it on like that. And now we have her body. And her head. Whoops. And her head. Wow, she's wearing nice eyeshadow. Nice blue eyeshadow. And her hair. Wow, she has nice blue hair. So we snapped her hair in. And now we're gonna put on her cape. In the back here. Like that. Wow, she looks so pretty, you guys. Oh, and we're gonna put this in her hand. Wow. Let's look at her one more time. We're gonna set her over here. Let's look at our leaflet to see what we got to make sure we got this one. Last time we got the Indian girl. Let's see who we're gonna get next. We're gonna open up this one now. Lots of pieces. Let's see. So we're gonna start from the legs moving up again. She's wearing a bathing suit, so we're gonna take the top of her body, take her arms, connect them to the top of her body, and then snap it on to the rest of it. Oh, like that. How cool. Now we're gonna put in her head. Oh, she's wearing glasses. And her necklace. Oh, nice. Oh, we got this one over here. She's not wearing a bathing suit. She's wearing a dress. Let's see. So this is a headband. We're gonna put on, now that we've put on her arms, the top of her dress, and her head, we're gonna put on her hair. Now that her hair is in, we can put on her headband like that. Oh, how pretty. And now we're gonna lift up her arms to snap in the rest of her dress. And we're gonna snap it in like that. Now that we've snapped in the dress, we're gonna give her her purse in her hand, and she is completed. How awesome. Matches her headband. So this is our second figure. Let's move on to the third bag. And the third bag is not pink, it's blue. So it means we're gonna find a boy figure. Whoa, so many pieces. Let's see, I see a lantern. This piece over here seems like a lantern of some sort. So let's see, who has a lantern? Oh, this guy has a lantern. And he has green pieces. I think this looks like Frankenstein. Let's see if we can put it together. Snap this in. Oh wait, first we have to put his vest. There we go. And now we can put his arms. And his other arm. And now we can take this all together and snap it in. And it seems good. Green head. Or his hat. We're gonna put his hat on. His hat is on. We put the bandage around his head. And now he also needs a bandage on his arm. Got a bandage or gauze, we can call this. We're gonna put the lantern, the light, in his hand. There we go. And our boy figure is completed. I think it's Frankenstein or something like that. And our last bag is over here. It's another girly bag. Let's open it up. So we're gonna start from the feet. Put on this piece for the body. Snap it in like that. It looks like a cowgirl. I see cowboy boots. Let's see who we might have gotten. Any cowboy boots? Yep, here it is. This is our cowgirl. Let's assemble her. I'm so excited. So we're gonna put her arms in. This is her shirt. And we're gonna put her arms in it. There we go, we snapped it on. And now her head. Ah, she's so happy. And now her hair, which is done in a braid. Let's snap it on. Snapped in her hair. It's a big, thick braid. How awesome. And her cowgirl hat. There we go. She has some of these accessories. This is her gun pocket. So we'll snap it there and put her gun in like that. Nice and tucked in there. These go on her legs like that. And the other side. There we go. And now she's all ready. These are all the figures that we got to open up and find in the blind bag. We got a mermaid, a little lady with her purse, some green zombie that looks like Frankenstein, and a cowgirl. If you like this video and want to see more, give this video a thumbs up and make sure before you go you subscribe to Toyscoveries for more fun educational videos like this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Until the next one, bye!